Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Today's video, we're going to talk about Matic, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and we're going to chart all those. But we're also going to talk about, some of my predictions, which has been unbelievable, guys. We've been hitting these targets to the dollar. What I'm doing, guys, is incredible, and I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But guys, this is absolutely incredible. I've only started this channel a couple months ago, and I really appreciate you guys all subbing. But if you've been watching my channel, we've been calling these bottoms. Look at this, guys. Look at the bottoms here that we've been calling. So I wanted to show you guys some examples because, we look at Ethereum, for example, guys. Look at the high today over here, $3,311, okay? So I want to just play this little clip for you here from the other day, showing you guys that this is actually from a couple days ago that I told you. First, I talked about this area bouncing. We had this W pattern. I went through this whole thing with you guys, a video before, but I called this level days before, and we hit it exactly to the target. And I'm gonna play a little clip for you guys. This up just a little bit, but right there. So right around 3311 area would be the target coming out of this pattern. Okay, so what happened? 3311 was the high, right? 3311 was the high. So far, that's what we're going for. Let's see if we can break out of this, like I talked about, and go higher. But guys, come on. Then on top of that, I called. What was the bottom of this move, guys? 2950, right? 2950 area. That's exactly what I said. Ready? Now listen to this. And then we test this, but I think eventually we test this 2950 area. I've been talking about this. And now I've been doing this over and over and over on my videos. Guys, I can't tell you how many times I've done videos where I've nailed these things to the dollar. It's absolutely been incredible. Example here, Matic. We just called this Matic. Look at this, guys. If we can get a daily candle close above this, I think we can get to 171. Okay? And guys, look what happened to Matic. Guys, the high was 170 and 11. We were like pennies off of this. Guys, to do this to the dollar, to be pennies off, whatever the case may be, is incredible, right? But what's more important is I predicted this Bitcoin move. You can see the bump and run here. I predicted this. I've only had this channel for two months, okay? And I predicted this when I first started my channel, okay? And I want you guys to hear this. We're going to draw this up. Before I get out of here, we're going to do something cool, right? We're going to draw this up for you guys because we talked about our big bump and run here, okay? Let's see. This was the top, right? Yep, okay. So look at the bottom. We had our bump and run at 28,800 and nailed it. Okay. That to the dollar. Now, this is our bump and run. So if we break this, guys, I'm going to tell you right now, we will break all time. If we can get past, do something like this, maybe come up, retest, come up, get rejected here, retest, or come down a little bit, let everybody get scared. Then we come up, we retest. I'm going to tell you right now. That's exactly what's happening, guys. We break this level, we are off to the races, guys. But I'm telling you, the bump and run is what I'm waiting for. This is the big move. Guys, June 24th. We got the 2 touch points. I showed you guys a slide in one of my videos, a bump and run slide, how it works. Guys, 2 touch points. Look at this. Exactly how we drew it out. Came down, came back down, retested, came back down here. Now we're coming. Now what are we doing? We're going to break that 50. Guys, I'm telling you. I don't know what other YouTuber is doing what I'm doing, but it's been absolutely an incredible run. I'm so happy for you guys. We're crushing it on Matic. I called this move, back here. We broke it. Cardano. I was actually calling, if you guys watch my old videos, I was loading the boat at Cardano at 104. Okay. Um, so yeah, so we got the Cardano move, and then of course I did a video the other day. If you guys weren't in it, watch for this break. Okay, it got the bounce perfect. Okay, so if you would have caught that move, that was a good 25% on your money. Okay, to buy. Listen, I love Ethereum and I love Bitcoin, but these short-term moves are producing higher gains so that I can add to my Bitcoin and Ethereum portfolios. And I'll always have a little bit of Matic and a little and some Cardano, but I add to my bigger portfolios. I mean, look at this, guys, 17% move, okay? And that's at 145. That was after I made a video and said, guys, it's going to come up, bounce off the 145 and go. After I talked about it already breaking at the 141, 43 mark. But I said, if you guys, I did another video the next day. Hey, guys, if you missed this right here, don't worry. It's going to come back down, bounce off of 145 and go exactly as I predicted, guys, to the dollar. Okay. So listen, guys, I mean, this isn't what I'm doing on my channel. I don't know. I know there's a lot of new people watching this, but this is not usually technical analysis people on YouTube or what I've seen in my lifetime are not doing what I'm doing. And I'm not trying to brag or anything, but it just shows you, if you know technical analysis and you study it, how good it works. Okay. It just works so good. Now, are we going to go higher? Yes, I think we're going higher. I've been telling you guys that I think we're going higher. So just hold your horses until we get something negative happening. I don't see anything negative here. Okay, the weekly chart looks good. Okay, Matic's looking good. Maybe a little sideways action, and then pop, like I've been telling you guys. A little sideways up here, and then a pop. With all these, a little sideways here, and then a pop. Okay, we're doing it on Cardano. I said a little sideways here, and then a pop. So these are all things. Ethereum, same thing. We're going to go a little sideways, and we might get past this area, which was the high at 33.11, and maybe test this 33.40 area and see if we can break that. Guys, I mean, what I'm doing here is absolutely incredible. I'm so happy for you guys. I started this channel when things were going down, and everybody was saying we're going higher, and I knew we were crashing down under 30,000. So I made the videos and I talked about all that, and we called the bottoms, nailed the bottoms, called the tops on every single move. You guys can go back and look at my videos. It's absolutely incredible. Some of the things that we've done on this channel in such a short period of time. Now, guys, all I'm asking for you guys is to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell and hit the all, or you will miss my videos, and then you'll say, well, I didn't see that. Well, because they're shadow banning me on YouTube. So make sure you guys hit the bell, hit the all button, so it pops up, gives you the notification, so you don't miss any of my videos, guys. All right. And we're long-terming, we're short-terming, we're gaining coins. Okay, we're doing everything that we should be doing as a trader. We're doing it perfect to the T. Guys, I'm loving this. I'm loving all you guys. I'm loving the love that you guys are giving me. Just make sure you guys show me the love back so I can keep doing these videos, guys. Because I don't know anybody else is doing what I'm doing here. It's absolutely incredible. And I just want you guys to be able to take advantage of it. Share the videos, guys, because I don't know if it's just me, but I think, there should be more subs. I'm getting a lot of views. Guys, sub to my channel. We're doing this right here, okay? It might look a little silly, some of the stuff I do, and it's basic, but I'm keeping it basic for you guys. Do you understand? Like, I can hit a button here and look at all this crap here, but most of this is all delayed, okay? This is all delayed. We got negative divergence here. Oh, well, okay. Well, guess what? The price kept going up. Yeah, well, that means, we could get a little pullback and then a little bump. Well, that's what we did. But guys, listen, most of this stuff is delayed, okay? I tried a lot of these things out. I tried different indicators. Some of them are okay. For long-term moves, if we go to the daily and the weekly, some of them work better. But short-term moves, those things mean nothing, okay? They mean absolutely nothing. if you're going to use an indicator, make sure you use an indicator on a daily or a weekly chart. Okay. So most of the time I do candles. I look at candle patterns. I look at other little things. I look at candle patterns, and I also look at patterns, patterns in general. Like we see patterns of the bump and run and stuff like that. That's because you get more of a shorter term time frame, and I'm trying to tell you every day where the chart I think is going to go every day. Okay, so not to scare you, or you can make your decisions if we're getting a pullback, if you want to sell it, buy cheaper, or just hold it, and we're going to go up higher. Right now, you can do either one. Okay, but I think if you hold it, we're going to go up higher. That's just my opinion. Until we test at least the 50-51 mark. Then we can maybe see a pullback from there, or we can rip right through it. But we have to see what happens when we get to that area. Okay, I'm leaning around the high 50,000 mark or even 51,000 mark. Okay, so just to let you guys know, listen, much love. We're still on course. I think everything's looking good. I don't think we're going to get any major drawbacks here. If we do, they'll be short-lived. And like I said yesterday, the reason I didn't do a video last night because everything I talked about in my video earlier happened perfect. What was I going to do? Make another video and tell you guys the same thing? So, I mean, there was nothing to it. I said, hey, guys, we're going to dip. We got the dip. I say buy the dip because then we're going to go higher. Everything I said in yesterday's video happened. If you guys watch yesterday's video, you're going to see that I talked about, guys, we're going to get a little dip. Okay, buy the dip, and then we're going to go higher. So get the dip while you can. I told you that on Cardano, on Matic, on everything, on Ethereum, on Bitcoin. We got the dips. I told you guys to buy the dips. I don't know if anybody did or add and just hold because we're going higher. Listen, guys, much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching my video. Make sure you guys sub to my channel, Moondog Trading. Okay. You can also follow me on Twitter at Moondog Trading 1. I'll leave the link in the description. If you guys want to go these ribbons, use these ribbons. You could go to templates. They're called MAEXP ribbon. It's free on TradingView. Everything's free on TradingView. You get 3 indicators for free on TradingView also as well. If you take the templates off, I believe. You'll get 3 free indicators, but I'll put a link in my description where if you do want to pay, you can go on there and you get $30 off. I'll put a link down there as well so you guys can do that if you want to. Listen, much love to you guys. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for everything that you guys have done. But show me some love, man. I mean, I don't know what else I can do as a trader to help you guys to keep it as basic and understanding everything that you can understand. And I'm doing all this for free, guys. I'm not asking for anything in return. I'm just asking for love because I think if I show you guys love, that good things will happen to me. So I believe in that that's what I believe in. Okay? So listen, I want to help you guys. I want you guys to come to me and put comments like, hey, I just bought a car. I just did this. I did this because of you. That's all I want. I want you guys to really just feed off of this and feed your families and buy houses and just do things that you always wanted to do. That's all I want from this channel. Listen, much love to you guys. I'll get this video out to you and peace out.